You're watching the 7th episode of our Straight Across Estonia series. We're currently attempting to be the first people to cross Estonia in a completely straight line. We started 7 days ago on the Latvia-Estonia border, and so far we have covered 141 kilometers. During this leg of the journey, we've managed to stay within 50 meters of our line the entire way. If we can keep this up until the end, we'll achieve a gold run. Now there are only 37 kilometers left, but in the previous episode things took a bad turn. Just a couple of kilometers before our campsite, Iti's knee pain got so bad that we had to stop and rest. In the end I carried both of our backpacks and we carefully made our way to the camper van. Now a serious question hung in the air. Can Iti continue the mission?
It's a brand new day. 2 more days until the end. We slept in the camper van again because Iti needed to treat her leg. Iti will tell you what we decided, how we decided that.
I'll explain what happened with the leg in the voiceover.
Yesterday, after reaching the camper van, I called the National Doctor Advice Line to ask about the risks of continuing. Their only advice was to cancel the mission. When I pressed for a worst-case scenario, they refused to say anything specific, just that continuing was dangerous and unreasonable. After some thought, we figured they were simply obligated to give the safest possible answer to avoid liability. Thanks to my stubbornness, we got a second opinion from our local physiotherapist, Kadrina, by rather impolitely calling her on a Saturday evening. She kindly agreed to help and explained that it's an overuse issue in the knee and assured I was unlikely to cause further harm unless something was structurally damaged. She advised taking painkillers, icing frequently to reduce swelling, and taping the knee for extra support. Most importantly, she reassured me that it was okay to continue. So after thanking her and following her advice, I decided to carry on with the mission. And oh boy was I happy to continue, because finally it was warm and sunny outside. But the ditches of course didn't disappear with the sun. They had lined themselves up and were already waiting just a couple of 100 meters ahead. We had a nice little breach on our line for the first one, but the crossing was not that smooth on the second.
And it is a bit slippery, Iti.
Oh, thanks.
Yep. Ooh, that is sketchy, Iti. Let me get you a stick. Oof, I got it.
You got
caught
it
really
again.
well.
Oh, it would be so funny if I fell in. Wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Like we
you just go walking back into the camper van wet.
to dry off.
Your parents would have a good laugh.
Hi, we're back.
Yeah.
Woo!
Iti!
Okay, we should not talk during this time.
I have never been so close to falling in.
Yeah, you were really close.
Francis as well.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Next up we had quite a bit of forest, which wasn't too bad, and after a while some hills emerged. By that time it was obvious we didn't know how to dress for that kind of weather, so we had to adjust our layers. Snow was still everywhere and the ground was slightly frozen, but everything felt easier. It was quite early in the morning and we thought we could go past our first household without drawing much attention. But people were already out and about on this nice Sunday morning.
That dog is fierce.
Yep.
That is a fierce dog. We're not even close to his yard and he's losing his mind. Maybe it's not because of us, but it surely feels like it.
Vabandust, et te koera häirime.
Me oleme mööda siit.
Me oleme siit.
Okay.
Üritame läbida tervet Eestimaad sirgjoones. Alustasime 7 päeva tagasi Läti piiri äärest. Ja nüüd meie joon lähebki siis siit võsast läbi lihtsalt, et me jätkakski siit, kui sobib teile.
Ja.
Et
Rakvere peale siit.
Rakverest mööda Kadrinast läbi ja siis
Kadrina jääb sinna.
ja siis homme lõpetame Vainupea rannas, et siis ehk siis õnnestub meil. ja, aga
No kus te nüüd tulite siit?
me tulime see Kiku rabast läbi praegu.
Kiku rabast?
Jah, et ööbisimegi seal raba taga.
Karu ei näinud?
Karu pole näinud. Õnneks pole näinud veel. Aga selge, aitäh teile. Nägemist.
After this pleasant encounter, we had a bunch of different terrains on our line. Some nastier and some actually quite nice.
Look at this pine.
Oh, it's a cool pine. Stream.
Oh, big one.
Pretty big pine. Tom, what is going on? Oh.
Quite big creek here.
Oh no.
But fortunately, I spotted there like a dam. That's cute.
Oh, that is so cute. We have sunshine. It's getting warm. Spring is here again.
Yep.
Life is beautiful.
A small
This
field.
will be a small field, and then we'll have some tickets.
But despite a fairly easy morning and absolutely splendid weather, we weren't really talkative, except when Iti had to express the following.
My toes are moist,
Ah,
but it's fine because it's warm, you know. It's very warm. Kind of a hill again. Oh, it's a big one.
field with a hill,
Filled with a hill.
or is it a hill with a field? It's a hill with a field. The hill was here before.
It's like a little paradise.
It is really cute here.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it's really cool.
You see?
Oh,
Nurmenukk is coming
oh
out.
yeah, Nurmenukk is coming down.
How is this called in English? I have no idea.
We have this nice little road going up the hill.
There's a nice valley. Feels like a meteorite
Oh yeah,
creator.
it's like a hole,
Yeah.
a big hole in
Oh, God.
on the ground. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to take it slow here. Okay,
The first time during this mission that I am able to take the jacket off.
yes. I am still a little bit chilly con carne.
I think the conclusion is that the middle part of Estonia sucks. Because the beginning was like, I don't know, interesting and nice.
Yeah,
And the middle part was like awful.
yeah,
And now it's nice again.
yeah.
Also, I guess the weather plays a big role. We can go downhill.
Oh yeah. Maybe we can like slide on our butt like we did in winter.
Roll the clip.
The clip. Oh, that's so sick on it. I have to hand you over.
It is gonna navigate now. Let's see.
Let's go to the right.
No, it's the wrong way.
Oh, this is bad.
This morning had more climbing and descending than all our missions combined. We thought wetlands might finally be out of the question, but they always managed to make at least a small appearance. Luckily this one and the little ticket didn't last long.
Look at that butt.
Oh yeah, it holds.
Oh, it's watery.
Oh,
It's watery.
yeah, it is.
It's watery. Ooh. Okay, we will get out of this. We have gotten out of everything else. We will get out of this one as well. Oh, this is stupid. Why? Okay.
Okay, good job.
Thank you.
That's the end of our morning forest sections. Now on to the fields.
Through that. Oh yeah, I think we can see Kadrina there.
Ah, yes,
There's
the
like
church.
a church.
Our line took us right past the town of Kadrina. Fortunately, I managed to plan the line in a way that let us ignore most of the town. We just had to cross a couple of roads, a river and some sort of industrial area. As we've already seen, due to the warm weather, people were more active. So let's see if we manage to get into some trouble.
No traffic, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. That's perfect. Iti stepped over and a bunch of moss just flew at me. Wow. At the edge of the field now. And there's a thick spruce hedge.
A very thick
Oh,
one.
it's a thick one.
Or maybe under here?
Maybe. There hasn't been much hedge crawling on the TOMITI channel. So this will be fun.
Yes. I'm gonna like get myself over these branches and then I can like get under.
Cool thing about the spruce thicket, they are empty underneath, so they're quite fun. Okay, let's crawl through now. Oh yeah, there is a train track. That's loose.
That's just. Do you remember the day when we stashed our things and we were in Kadrina and buying some gloves?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that's such a long time ago now.
I think these are from this shop here.
Oh yeah, should be. We will go over a river, but we have a road we can use to cross this one, Loobu River. And
This is not a small river.
yep. And then we have some sort of commercial warehouse
Yes.
that we will pass. That river looks nice and
Actually, it looks
clean.
nice.
Clear.
Actually, like now, I wouldn't mind the swim, and
Yeah.
it looks very shallow over there.
Oh yeah, it would be nice to cross this one during this weather. Let's go. Oh my god, there was a big fish.
What the hell? Come,
Oh, we
fishy,
can see
fishy,
the
fishy.
shadow.
Yeah. Whee!
Hello. Uga booga, uga booga. You wanna go swimming?
You're such an ass. Okay, let's go. There's this very nasty looking little puddle which we can luckily avoid. Luckily we can avoid that because oh no, there's another nasty river that is not on the maps. Luckily there are some branches.
Do your country proud.
But how?
Put your legs on one and hands on another, yeah.
Okay. It's fine, we're fine, everything's fine. There's only like a meter of mud under me. That's nice.
Good job.
That's nice.
Oh! Oh, the branch broke with the oh!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
No!
What are you doing? What?
What am I doing? You can see what I'm doing.
Oh no! Oh no!
That is nasty. That's
Oh my god! Tom, why?
I was like properly stuck there.
Oh, that stinks.
Okay, let's carry on.
That stinks.
Yeah, let's go. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, I'm good.
Oh Oh, that's bad. No, maybe you want to go back and like rinse yourself off in the river.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
This was not the trouble we expected to get into, especially after such an easy river crossing. But I didn't allow Tom to continue the mission smelling like fermented mud, so he went back to clean himself in the other river.
Yeah, the mud is really thick. Ooh, the water is cold.
It was refreshing.
Okay, be careful this time.
Yeah, I will.
Do you want me to throw the camera?
No, I can. I am professional. I'm a professional climber.
Just go. Okay.
It's like the easiest climb ever, and I messed it up. I was too confident.
Yeah, I think you were. Oh, but that was good.
Yeah,
That was funny.
let's go.
Oh, that was an adventure. That was.
Yep. At least I fell in on a warm day. So.
Yeah, true. And it smelled like as soon as you fell in,
weird.
it was so bad.
We are heading over this mound.
Yeah.
We should be able to hike the fence to stay within 25. Maybe there is someone here today. So, as you see here, fence posts, but no fence. I saw like the line on the map and I was worried that, we have to climb over a fence here. But then we came and scouted. When we scouted this place out, we saw that there's only posts here. So, oh yeah, and the pedestrian gate is open right now. We can just pass through.
Somebody's here.
Just keep on walking.
Actually, I think we should go.
No, we can't. Oh, okay, let's go from the left side then.
I think so.
Yeah, okay, good. From the
Because there's no fence over there.
Oh, I think we can barely make it around here.
Yeah.
But now we will leave Kadrina behind and on to the next fields.
Luckily, everything went smoothly in Kadrina, and ahead of us stretched large open fields. Our 8th day on the mission didn't feel like complete torture, so we enjoyed it while we could, as this was a feeling we didn't experience very often.
This field is over. We reach another field.
All right.
Finally a ticket.
No, don't say that. Quite a lot of that.
It was unbelievable how good we felt. We even started enjoying the wooded areas and ditches. The warm weather makes everything more pleasant.
Okay, I got a hang of a branch.
Good stuff. That's a jump. You can grab this.
Is it crossoverable? Oh no.
Oh, it was.
Tom, I can't do this jump
You can grab this
anymore.
Here. Throw me the camera.
Okay.
Wow, that was a good throw.
It is a big jump.
Oh, good job, Iti.
Wow, I impressed myself.
That was cool. Go.
Since the weather had suddenly turned so good, we feared that crossing people's yards might not be easy. It was the weekend and people were bound to be outside. Well, it wasn't the case with the next few households. We didn't see anyone and passed through with ease. We saw signs that an older person might live there, so we can imagine their fear if two strangers wandered into the yards. If that was the case, we sincerely apologize. Hopefully they were as oblivious to our presence as we were to theirs.
Sure. Tom was asking if I felt weird now that I don't have a backpack, and I do. I feel like I am not pulling my part of the weight. Feels like cheating. At the same time, for the sake of completing this mission, it's the right thing to do, but you know, always a bit weird. Cute little place that they have here. It's the first time of the trip where I'm sweating.
Unbelievably, there were only a few fields and one forest between us and our planned campsite. Everything had gone much smoother than we anticipated. We were ahead of our schedule and not by a little, which was a completely new situation for us. We admired some tree mushrooms, stumbled upon a creepy forest with some old foundations, and crossed the wetland and the clear-cut area. After 1 hour, we reached the other side of the forest and saw a farmstead.
Okay.
Okay. And we're out. There was a dog.
There is a dog,
A small one.
but it's just standing there.
It's like
Okay.
a beal. Yeah, me lähme juba. Good dog. I think at first he was like stalking us and then decided to start barking when we were close enough. Now he's shooing us off his land. Good dog.
As we started reaching the campsite much earlier than we should have, it was only 1:30, we decided to rearrange our plans. It felt silly to stop so soon. We grabbed our stashed items and decided to continue with them to hand them over to Iti's parents. After that, we'd keep going for as long as we'd had energy, or until we reached a good spot for the camper van.
After getting our stashed items, we approached the yard where we heard multiple dogs barking. We thought we were filming, but it turned out we weren't. Let's quickly show on the map how we approached. We walked to the edge of the yard and saw a chained dog barking at us. Another one was free and moving closer. We heard someone working in the yard, but they didn't realize we were there since we were entering from the back. While trying to figure if we can go around, we veered to the right quite a bit, 37 meters to be exact. Once we realized we were forced to go straight, we turned back left, and after yelling a couple of loud hellos, the owner came. Then we realized we weren't filming and turned on the camera.
Ja me alustasime 7 päeva tagasi Läti piiri äärest ja nüüd oleme jõudnud siia. Meil see joon läheks siit läbi, et super luks, et me just lootsimegi, et äkki tuleb keegi hoovi
Äkki te
peale.
näete, jah. Ja kõikidest hoovidest kahjuks ei saa nagu mööda minna, nii et mõned hoovid me peame läbima. Suured tänud teile. Teil on päris korralik koertearmee siin.
Tublid koerad. Suur aitäh.
Kena päeva.
Fortunately, the owner let us pass, although the dogs made us quite nervous. We dropped our stash off in the camper van and had a quick lunch.
We are at the Narva maantee, Narva highway.
Narva highway.
This is also like one of the main highways in Estonia.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Then we passed a lonely house and walked across some fields, until we spotted a peculiar little wooden tower that we, of course, had to climb. It doesn't happen often that we encounter a structure perfect for a small breeder. After crossing some calm, problem-free areas, we found ourselves facing several larger ditches. The last ditch had a nice little dam, which turned out not to be very stable.
How should I come across? Okay, take this.
Oh wow, what a catch.
Okay. And now what?
Step to the high. Yeah, there. Or I don't know. There's your camera. Well, that was fun.
Are there animals?
Nope.
Nice. Let's go.
And on we went, alternating between woodland and meadows. When we reached a beautiful grassy field, we decided to take a short break. Only 1.5 kilometers remained until the camper van. On the way there, the landscape alternated between dry and wet ground, but nothing too hard. As always, just before the camper van, we encountered a wet and muddy patch of land, which gave our day another hilariously unpleasant ending.
That's nasty. That's super nasty, yeah.
First, get a little bit further.
Oh,
Right then.
oh God.
Okay, now.
Oh my God. Itty. That is stupid. Where do you bring me?
Go to the water.
Of course. Okay, we have made it to the camper van.
Record day!
Record distance. Uh-huh. Ta-da.
Alright, a little summary of day 8. The morning woodlands went well, just a couple of large deviations, but none over 25 meters. In the town of Kadrina, we managed to remain within 25 as well by using the road to cross the river and zigzagging between buildings. After that, we followed the line really well for 9 kilometers until we encountered the dogs. Trying to find the best way out, we deviated 37 meters to the right. Thankfully, we remained within 50 meters, so the gold run was still alive. From there to the camper van, there was only one more deviation, 28 meters to the left, when we crossed the ditch using the dam. This was our longest day yet. We covered a whopping 28 kilometers, which is very impressive considering we had to walk in a straight line through everything. Now we are safely in the camper van and ready for our final push. There are only 8 kilometers left until the end. We were trying hard not to get too excited.
We are ready.
We are back. We are so
back. We are so back. We are starting our last day and we have 8 kilometers to go. And if we finish these 8 kilometers, then we have completed Estonia in a straight line, which is unbelievable.
The morning was warm and we were feeling good and motivated. Our feet were protesting, our bodies aching, but our minds were still determined. After patching ourselves up as best we could, we started heading towards the finish line. The weather was holding and our moods were too. We even had the energy to see and appreciate small details around us again.
Look at that, it's so pretty. Ooh, there's like a whole batch of this. And the forest is also opening up a bit. It's not that bad anymore. Oh, look at that, I like that. This is so cool. Ah, it's so nice. Look at that.
That's a fluffy spruce.
That is a fluffy spruce. Oh, I would like to hug that one. Look at that.
How does one get this type of road, this fluffy road? It's all like...
Holy.
How does one get one?
I want that.
It has like a carpet on. This is my kind of red carpet. Mossy carpet.
This is a nice forest. Oh, yes. Okay, let's go. Do you remember when we started on the Estonian-Latvian border?
Oh, that was a long time ago now. We are changed people now.
We are different people.
The season was different.
The season.
We were different.
Everything was different.
And now we are like reaching the other side of Estonia. It's just
Unbelievable.
It sounds wild.
Holy moly. This is nice.
Good job.
Thank you.
Well done.
Oh, look.
It's so pretty over there.
They are all open now.
I want to come. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Ooh. Oh.
Throughout the mission, all the liver gouts or whatever they were called, they were all closed throughout the hike. But now, with the warmth and sun, they are all open.
Yeah, it's so
beautiful.
Pretty. So pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so blue.
Oh wow! It really is so cool.
It is so cool. Pole joomist filminud. We actually drink sometimes as well. We haven't really.
We do drink quite often, but we haven't really filmed it.
Yes, but we do. We have.
Especially yesterday and today.
Yeah.
Like right when it got warmer, we like the need for water has gone up so much.
Yeah.
After 4 kilometers of walking, we remembered one important thing about the final stretch. There was one last river on our way that we knew nothing about.
There's a road.
There's a day.
There's a day. T. I think we are closing in on Vainupea river because there's, you can see through the forest, there's like a ravine that goes down. I think it's the riverbed there. We will surely find a log which we can just cross it.
I wouldn't have anything against like going for a swim, but I wouldn't want it to be like a large one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Here's the river.
We can do that.
It is a decent one, but fortunately we don't have to go swimming right now. Okay.
To the right.
I wonder if there are any logs.
Ah, here it is.
Ah, yeah, there is a log, I think.
There is a log.
Or how far is this log?
It's not far.
Like 10 meters, it seems like. Let's see if Thomas finds himself in mud today as well.
Do you want me to make you laugh?
No, please no.
Okay, you're good. Oh, there's a ladybug. Oh, you're so cute.
Just keep on coming.
I help you. Come here.
Leave the ladybug.
Come.
Oh my god, Iti.
Wait. Come. I want to help you. Okay, I'm...
Okay, good job, Iti.
Thank you, Mitch.
Let's carry on.
Thank you very much. Now, there shouldn't be anything to be nervous about, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I think right.
Right?
Luckily, we made it safely over, but then we encountered a small ditch that turned out to be a harder obstacle than the wide river.
Other side
It's very mossy.
Looks mossy.
Oh, it's a bit sketchy, but I think it's doable.
Oh my god! It broke off. It was almost not far enough. Like swing my way across.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, let's go. What does that mean? This.
You will always find it.
This is
Ditch. Good.
The struggles weren't over yet. There was a nasty clear-cut area where young spruces had been cut down and left scattered across the ground, and the section dragged on for quite a while. Although I was on painkillers and couldn't feel my knee, I still wanted to be careful, so it took some time to get through.
they have like taken down the weaker ones and left them here. Can you imagine like growing next to your dead brothers and sisters?
Shut up.
How can this be healthy? Have we ever considered the mental health of trees? Huh? It is a mess. Oh!
I fell down.
I stepped in a hole and I went flying.
You just like rolls.
After Tom's fall, it started raining. Luckily, it was warm and the end was near, so we weren't bothered. I think we almost didn't notice it.
Oh, that is a bad idea.
Why are you here, Itti?
I don't know.
What are you doing here?
Wait.
You, out of all people.
But look how good I am. A bit better.
Only 780 meters left until the sea, which is quite a lot of distance, but we will make it in one piece. That is beautiful. It really is. Well, we are now reaching the road and it's raining heavier and heavier. I did not picture us finishing up in the rain, but
Yeah,
maybe that's quite effective.
but that's cool.
That's cool.
Alright, the last road crossing of the mission. Only 500 meters to go. But it wouldn't be a straight line mission if there weren't any surprises, right?
I stayed behind for just a moment.
Yeah?
And Itti manages to get in so much trouble already.
I am not in trouble. Everything's under control. What are you talking about?
Wow, that's so cool. Like these little islets here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
With
we're
dry
going
feet
to have
anyway.
to walk through
but
this water.
it feels steep.
It does, but who cares anymore? Am I right? Okay, it's like, I think it goes up to your knee.
I think we're gonna have to go.
Let's go
No,
then.
you go. I don't feel. I'm scared of it.
I will show you the way. Don't worry, my love.
Okay.
Oh,
Do you want to carry me over?
yeah, I do.
No. Okay.
Maybe it's healing water for your knee. That is cold and dark.
It is
Cold and dark. And it goes deeper. And it is a bit muddy. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's
Why
muddy.
does it bubble?
Try to step
Why there are bubbles?
because it's muddy.
I don't like bubbles. Right now, I don't like bubbles. It's so deep. Why
Come
is it so
on.
deep? Oh my god.
You can do it, Itti.
It is not nice. Oh, that's cooling. Oh,
It was nice.
wait.
Itti has put her knee in the water to
It's
cool
really
it off.
nice. Now you get used to it. It's really nice. Ooh. Oh, it's actually so nice. Wait. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, nice. Alrighty. We thought that we're gonna get to the coast with dry feet. Nothing that we predict is coming true. Nothing.
Small little forest road.
Forest.
That's cute.
Feels nice to walk on.
That's cute. Let's take in those final moments here in the lovely seaside forest. Oh, I can already smell the sea.
Stuff can still happen. Maybe there's a bog.
Yeah.
There's a swamp.
Unless we see the sea, we should not celebrate yet. I can see the sea through the trees. I repeat, I can see the sea. And I can smell it, I swear. Gulf of Finland. Huh. The final stretch, Itti. How is it?
I don't know. I don't know what to feel.
Imagine. 8 days ago we started at the Latvian border.
Yep.
Oh my god. Here's the sea. It's not a lake, isn't it? It's a sea.
It's the sea.
And then there we were, on the coast of the Gulf of Finland. After 9 brutal days of walking through everything in a straight line, it felt surreal. In Latvia we were ecstatic, jumping, laughing, celebrating our first conquest, but this time something was different. We walked quietly to the beach and touched the water to make it official. Itti tried to lift the mood, talking about what we'd just done and everything behind us.
Tom seemed quite off, and I took it on myself to start celebrating. I tried to express what we felt and what was behind us, while Tom started mumbling about us and the gratitude he felt for meeting me. I again started blabbering about the mission until it hit me. We'd been together for just under 2 years. During that time, we discover all the fun things we love doing together. From road trips, concerts, crazy dancing, playing disc golf and board games, to sports, adventures and pushing each other to our limits, while still creating a safe, effortless space where our coexistence isn't a challenge, but a shortcut to a more fulfilling life. From that synergy, something bigger emerged, a way of combining everything we love into something we can share with others. We don't have a specific goal, we just enjoy navigating these challenges together and have realized we cooperate incredibly well. And of course, it's awesome to have technology to record it all, so when we're old, we'll have more than just our big mouths to tell the story. As it usually goes with stories like this, I would never have thought meeting someone like Tom was even possible. There was always this subconscious thought of settling for good enough. But then this guy asked me for a dance on Midsummer Night, and since that day I've seen nothing I have to settle for, because he makes me feel safe in every way. And now, standing there after walking the entire length of Estonia in a straight line, I realized my favorite person was acting strange because he was about to pop the big question. Then I finally stopped blabbering so Tom could proceed with his mumbles.
I had carried a ring with me the entire mission, hidden inside a small container, sealed with tape so nothing could accidentally open it. I didn't dare leave it in the last stash in case someone found it, but carrying it was just as nerve-wracking. I had quietly practiced my speech, but of course my mind went blank as soon as we reached the beach. I suppose if your mind goes blank, you go with your heart. I couldn't be more thankful for the time we've already had and more excited for everything that's yet to come. It was the best decision of my life to ask Iti for a dance at the Midsummer Festival. And now comes the second best decision, asking her to marry me. Now that we've got this small thing out of the way, let's go over what this whole adventure was about. We conquered our home country, Estonia. 9 days of walking, 8 nights on the line and all deviations under 50 meters. Estonia has been crossed in a straight line and we achieved a gold run. As far as we know, this is the longest successful straight line mission in the world and you just saw it unfold. The weather wasn't on our side and we didn't manage to keep the unsupported run. But considering the mission's length, it was a lot to ask. Despite everything, we're absolutely amazed that we pulled it off. We had no idea if it was even possible or what would happen during those 9 days, but completing 176 kilometers on our first try is everything we could have hoped for. We want to thank Iti's parents for taking the time to support us. Their help was very much needed on this run. And of course our sweet old man on 4 wheels, who always brought us happiness and relief every time we spotted him in the distance. We also want to thank Food Force, who has kept our bodies fueled through so many of our missions and hikes. It's been such a pleasure to collaborate with them.
And of course, we're madly grateful for you, our viewers. Your comments and support have brought us so much joy and motivation to keep going. We're putting together a Q&A about our mission across Estonia, so be sure to leave your questions in the comments below. It's crazy to think that our mission across Estonia took place 6 months ago. Since then, we've been on national TV, featured on a radio show, and written about in sports magazines and newspapers. So many awesome things have happened, but even more exciting adventures are on the way.
In our upcoming Q&A video, we'll talk about our future plans and give you a sneak peek of the adventures we had this summer. As we create these videos alongside our everyday jobs, buying the equipment needed to film and carry out these missions isn't cheap. So we are super thankful for every YouTube tip jar and Patreon member for giving us that extra push to keep creating. Extra footage will soon be available on Patreon, so definitely check it out. Thank you and see you in the next adventure.
Neil sõrmil kergel nuttud pilli sõrmid see, neil sõrmil kergel nutnud pill.